So now we are going to see the third sum, that is tick mark the shapes where 1 by 2 is red. Okay, tick mark the shapes where 1 by 2 is red. This is what is this? A rectangle, this is a triangle, and this is also a triangle, but it is in a vertical size, it is in a horizontal. Okay, horizontal direction. So this is 1 by 2, this is correct, because I cut into two equal parts, then I shaded only one part as in red in color. This is what 1 by 2 is exactly right. And the next diagram is also what? It is not a triangle, it's look like a triangle, but actually it's a what? Diamond shape. I cut into equal parts, then I shaded only one portion that is in red color. So this is also the tick mark, but it's not comes under a tick mark, it is a wrong mark. I have to put wrong mark because it is a rectangle, but it's not cut into equal parts, but it is look like what? It is a small square, it is a big rectangle. Okay, this is a small box and the big box. That is what? It is not cut into equal half. So it's look like 1 by 4, it's not like 1 by 2. So this is also, but generally while you see it is two parts, but it is not equal parts, it is a small part, it is a big part. Okay, so I'll repeat once again, tick mark the shape where half is red. This is a rectangle, it is also rectangle, it is in vertical size of rectangle. A vertical size of rectangle, this is a horizontal size of rectangle. This is a diamond shape. So I cut into, first diagram I cut into equal half, then I shaded in red color. I shaded only one part in red color. Next diagram, it is a diamond shape. This also I cut into equal parts. I shaded only one portion is red in color. So I put, it is also comes under half. It is also, the fraction comes under in what? Half. This is what is the fraction of this diagram? Half, and this also half. Okay, so that is what I put tick mark for these two diagrams, but this diagram will not come under in what? Fraction of half, because it is a horizontal size of rectangle, but I cut into two parts, but I shaded only one portion, but these two part is not equal, and one part is small, another part is a big. So it will not come in this what category. And tick mark the shapes where 1 by 3 is green. See, look at this diagram. And this is also cut into three parts. So I shaded only one portion in green color. So I put tick mark. This is also a diagram. This object, it's look like a pencil shape, but I cut into two parts. But what they said, tick mark the shapes where 1 by 3 is green. 1 by 3 is green. So I have to make this diagram. I will make this diagram into three parts, but I've drawn the diagram only two parts, so it is not comes under in this category. So in this heading, so I put wrong mark. I'll repeat once again. First diagram is a rectangle size. So I cut into three parts, but shaded only one part. So 1 by 3 is come. Okay, one part is in green color, other two parts are in same white color. Okay, I shaded only one part is green color, but I cut into three parts, but shaded only one portion or only one part is in green color. This diagram I cut into two parts only. This is an object. It's look like a pencil diagram, but I cut into two parts only. I didn't cut three parts. I shaded only one part, but actually 1 by 3, 1/3, but it is what? 1 by 2, half. This is a fraction comes under half. It does not come under 1/3 or 1 by 3. So I put wrong. And third is, this is a what? Triangle. So I cut into three parts, but shaded only one part is, or one portion is green in color. So it comes under 1 by 3 fraction. So I put a tick mark for this diagram. So next heading is tick mark the shapes where 2 by 3 is blue. 2 by 3 is blue. So it is a rectangle. So I cut into three parts but shaded two portions. So 2 by 3 is the right answer. 2 by 3 is a right answer. So I put tick mark. So this diagram, it is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 parts. I shaded two parts in green color. Sorry, it is in blue color. But I shaded what? Blue. So, but I shaded in what? blue. Now it is in blue color. I am shading in blue color. Okay. Now this diagram also. So this is a what? Triangle. I shaded two parts in blue in color. So 1 and 3 I shaded in blue color. So it is comes under in 2 by 3. It comes under in what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 portion. It is 2 by 3 fraction. So I put a tick mark for this diagram also. So this is also a half circle, that is semicircle. I cut into 3 parts, but I just want to wrap this part. Okay, I just want to wrap this part. I shaded 2 portion, but I just purposely wanted to wrap this portion. Now it is empty. So I shaded only one part is in what? Blue color or what? So all in blue color. Okay. So I shaded only one part in blue color. Remaining 2 part is empty. It is in white color. So it comes actually, it is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. But I shaded how many portion, how many parts? Only one part. So it comes under 1/3, but not what? But not 2/3. But not 2/3. So this is not comes under in this heading. So I put what? Wrong mark. The answer is 1/3. It's a right answer, but I put wrong mark because it is not comes under in this heading, because actually this is a semicircle. I cut into 3 parts, but I shaded only one portion in blue color. That is what 1/3 is the right answer, but they need 2/3 portion in blue in color. But I shaded only one part, but not 2 parts. So this is not comes under in this heading. That is what I put a wrong mark for this question. I think so. Understand all the diagrams. This is what? A rectangle, this is a triangle, and this is a semicircle. So I cut into 3 parts, but shaded only 2 parts in blue in color, so I put a tick mark. And triangle, this is also cut into 3 parts, but shaded 2 parts in blue in color, that is what 2/3. I put a tick mark. This is a semicircle or half circle. I cut into 3 parts, but I shaded only one portion in blue in color. That is what the answer is 1/3. But we need 2/3 is blue in color, so it is not comes under in this heading. So I put a what? Wrong mark for this question. I think so you understand the concept very well.